Good morning to you all, dear students. So today we will start with new topic under block 17, that is Gram Panchayat. All right. Resources required for our class today is your S2 worksheet, S2 notebook, and exit content book. Keywords for today is Gram Panchayat, Sarpanch, Tax, Nyaya Panchayat, and dispute. And for today is students will be able to explain the role of the Gram Panchayat. Okay, so what is the meaning of Sarpanch? Sarpanch is the head of the village. They are known as Sarpanch. Alright, and what is tax? Money that is paid to the government by the people. Okay, so that is known as tax. And what is Nyaya Panchayat? It is a system of dispute resolution at village level in India. They are known as Nyaya Panchayat. And what is dispute? It is a quarrel or argument. Alright, a quarrel or argument, they are known as dispute. So what kind of problems do villages face? Alright, think about your village. Okay, what kind of problems does your village face, or do villages face? Alright, so see, villagers may face different kind of problems, okay, depending on their alright, the environment, the land formation, right? So see, people in villages right, they may face scarcity of water, and they may face problems such as bad roads. All right, that is very common, okay, bad roads. So there may not be teachers in the village schools or proper doctors in the health centers. So those are some of the problems that villagers may face. There is scarcity of water, bad road condition, all right, no teachers in the village school, or no proper doctors to look after the sick in the health center. Okay, so today we will learn about the ways in which a gram panchayat tries to solve problems in a village. All right, so see this, observe the picture and identify what does it depicts. So as you can see, some people, right, they are having a discussion. Okay, now after observing this picture, I want all of you to read the case study. Okay, from your exit content book, page number 35. All right, you find in page number 35. Okay, so please open your textbook and you read the case study. Okay, the Panchayat of Narsimpur. All right, so you please go through this particular case study. Okay, I'm not going to read for you. You take your time and then read all paragraph. Okay, from here till here. All right, from beginning till the end, you please try to read by yourself from your textbook. Okay, after you are done reading this case study of the Panchayat of Narsimpur, now here is a question for you. Okay, so what problems are these people discussing, and how or who do you think is an important person in this group? What do they plan to do to help the village people, and how will they get the money for the work? All right, talking about the Panchayat of Narsimpur. Okay, as you can see from the given figures, also from the conversation, right? Question here is, what problems are these people discussing, and who do you think is an important person in this group, and what do they plan to do to help the village people, and how will they get the money for the work? All right, so listen carefully. Okay, so these people, all right, so these people who are the members of the Gram Panchayat of Narsimpur. Alright, they are discussing the condition of roads, the problems of farmers who had a bad harvest, all right, and also a grocer who has been cheating people, all right, in the village. Similarly, Anandi Anandi Devi is the sarpanch of this gram panchayat. Okay, as you can see from the given picture, right? So Anandi Devi is the sarpanch, all right, the head of the village, okay, of this gram panchayat, an important person who is heading the meeting and taking decisions. And these people plan to start building Paka roads and dig more wells. Alright, that is in the village. So they also plan to refer the case of the grocer to another village body called the Nyaya Panchayat. Alright, and they will get money from the Zila Parisad and the tax that village people pay on houses and shops. All right, we pay taxes based on our houses, based on the shop, right? Those are collected and they will get money from the Zila Parisad, okay? And the tax that villages people pay on houses and shop. All right, that is how they will get the money. All right, that is for the work. So let's get into our general discussion, okay? So what all does the Gram Panchayat do? And what is the role of the Sarpanch? How does it get money to function? And how do village settle cases of cheating or in case of stealing? So we now know what is actually Gram Panchayat, okay? So the Gram Panchayat, they looks after the welfare of the village. Alright, so the Gram Panchayat, they look after the welfare of the village. Okay, so it helps people to get clean drinking water, and also they improve the conditions of roads. It helps farmers with seeds and fertilizers. Alright, it also improves the condition of schools and health centers. It organizes village fair. Alright, so the Gram Panchayat is headed by the Sarpanch, okay, who presides over the meetings of the Gram Panchayat. Okay, so it gets money from, we have learned, that is the tax collected from the people, from the shops, from the animal fairs and funds from the state government and the Zila Parisad who looks after the district level. Alright, that is we have learned in our previous class. Alright, and also the cases of stealing and other disputes are referred to the Nyaya Panchayat. Alright, a village body which functions as a village court. Alright, so whenever there is a case of stealing, whenever there is a case of cheating, they are taken to Nyaya Panchayat. Okay, that is a village body which functions as a village court. Alright, now think and answer. This is a hot question. Okay, so I want all of you to think about this question. In which matters do you think the Gram Panchayat should not interfere? We have learned that in cases like stealing, in cases like whenever there's problem in a village, the Gram Panchayat, they try to settle the issue, they try to bring solution right to the problem. So in which matters do you think the Gram Panchayat should not interfere? Okay, so maybe in certain cases. All right, so just uh, listen to the answer. Okay, so the Gram Panchayat, they should not interfere in cases such as relating to personal matters. All right, personal matters, that is marriage or religion of people. They should not interfere in those cases. All right, cases such as marriage or religion of people. All right, these are situations where people should be free to make choices. All right, so they should be allowed to get married to whom they wanted to. They should allow to follow which religion they wanted to follow. Okay, because these are situations where people should be free to make choices. Right? So that's it for our class for today. Okay, things to do. Complete practice question number 4, 5, and 6. You'll find in page number 40 of content book, and worksheet S2 page number 22. So talking about this one, okay? Worksheet S2 along with practice question number 4, 5, and 6. All right? So that is your homework for today. So thank you, stay safe, and take care.